Hello and welcome to your financial fresh start. If you're in your 20s, this is the single best decade to build a foundation for your wealth. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get ahead. Powerful money moves you can start making right now. Let's begin. First, create a simple budget. Think of it as a freedom plan for your money. The easiest way is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to your needs, like rent and groceries. 30% goes to your wants, like hobbies and entertainment. And a crucial 20% goes directly to savings and investments. Use a simple app or a notebook to track it. This plan tells your money where to go, so you don't have to wonder where it went. Second, build your emergency fund. This is your non-negotiable financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Your goal is to save 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. It's critical to keep this money in a separate, high-yield savings account where it's safe and accessible, not in the stock market. Start small and automate your savings. Even $20 a week builds a powerful habit. Third, start investing as soon as possible. The most powerful force in finance is compound interest, which is your money making more money over time. You don't need to pick stocks. The smartest way for beginners is to invest in low-cost, diversified ETFs or index funds. This is like buying a small piece of the entire stock market. With modern apps, you can start with as little as $50. The key is to start early and be consistent. Fourth, attack high-interest debt. We're talking about credit card debt, with interest rates often over 20%. It's a trap designed to keep you paying forever. Make a plan to pay it off aggressively. You can use the avalanche method, focusing on the highest interest rate first, or the snowball method, focusing on the smallest balance first. Getting rid of this debt is a guaranteed win. And finally, number 5, invest in yourself. This is the investment with the highest possible return. Your ability to earn an income is your greatest asset. The fastest way to grow your wealth is to grow your skills. Take an online course, read books, and learn high-demand skills like marketing or sales. The more you learn, the more you can earn. So, let's recap. Budget smartly. Build an emergency fund. Invest early. Destroy bad debt. And always invest in yourself. Pick one of these and take the first step this week. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.